Hello everyone, I am Miss Priyanka Sanjay Latte, working as lecturer at Moa Education Society's Moa Rural Institute of Pharmacy Sone. In this presentation, I am going to discuss topic that is Carminative and GI Regulators. Part 3rd. This topic we will discuss for first year D Pharmacy students. Content of presentation: synonym, biological source, geographical distributions, cultivation and collection, organoleptic characters, microscopic characters, chemical constituents, chemical test, and uses of following drugs. First one, nutmeg, and second one, clove. Now firstly, we will discuss the first good drugs, nutmeg. Synonym, myristica, nux mochata, jaipur. Biological source: it consists of dried kernels of seeds of Myristica fragrans belonging to family Myristiaceae. Geographical distribution: nutmeg is indigenous to Molucca island and cultivated in Indonesia, West Indies, and other tropical countries. In India, it is cultivated in Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Next point, organoleptic characters. Color: externally kernels are greenish brown to brown. Odor: strongly aromatic. Taste: pungent and aromatic. Size: 20 to 30 mm in length and 20 mm broad. Shape: ellipsoidal. Extra features: kernels are externally covered with small irregular patches or lines. Next point, cultivation and collection. The plant is a deciduous trees bearing females and male flowers separately. The drug is obtained from female plants. Nutmeg thrives well in warm, humid climate and grown in location from sea level to an altitude of 900 meters. The requirement of the rainfall is about 200 to 250 centimeters. Sandy loam, clay loam, and red lateritic soils are satisfactory for cultivation. The plant is cultivated by sowing the seeds. Only freshly collected seeds are suitable for cultivation. Vegetative propagations of nutmeg is also possible. The seedlings are raised in the nursery beds. The seeds takes about 2 to 3 months for germination. When the seedlings are about 16 to 18 months old, they are transplanted by keeping the distance of 8 to 9 meters in between them. The nutmeg essentially needs shade for its protection. If sufficient rain is not available, irrigation is necessary. Fertilizers and manures are provided to plants from time to time. The sex of plant is determined and male trees are reduced to 10% of the total population. Fruits are produced by plants throughout year, while the number is maximum from December to May. The fruits are suitable for picking when the husk of fully ripe nut splits, or else they are allowed to drop on the ground after dehusking. The red, watery arils in bracket maize bracket complete covering the seed is detached from seed shell by hands and flattened out in the sun. It takes about 4 to 8 weeks for drying of the drug in sun. Alternatively, it is dried by artificial heat. Shells are broken off and nutmegs are removed. Normally, the full-grown female tree under favorable conditions produces 2 to 3,000 fruits per year, weighing 10 kilograms and 1.5 to 3 kilograms of maize. Thus, 100 female plants located in hectares can produce the 1000 kilograms of nutmegs and 150 to 300 kilograms of maize. Commercially, the plantation is economical only when the plants are more than 10 years old. Next point, chemical constituent. It contains 4 to 8% myristicin, elemicin, saffron. The fatty acid constituents of the fixed oil are myristic, palmitic, oleic, lauric acid. The fat content of nutmeg is known as nutmeg butter. The other constituents are protein and starch. Myristicin in bracket methoxysaffrol bracket complete is a very poisonous and the narcotic effect of the drug is said to be due to myristicin. Geraniol, terpineol, camphene, etc. as the other constituents of volatile oil of nutmeg. Uses. First one, it is used as aromatic, stimulant and carminative. Second one, it is used as flavoring agent. Third one, the fat content of nutmeg is used in soap industries. Fourth one, the fat and volatile oil of nutmeg are used in treatment of rheumatism. Substitutes. First one, Myristica malabirica. Second one, Myristica argentea. Third one, Myristica bedomi. Now next good drugs. Clove. Synonym, Caryophyllum, clove flowers, clove bud, lavang. Biological source. It consists of dried flower buds of Eugenia caryophyllus belonging to family Myristaceae. Geographical distribution. It is indigenous to Amboina and Penang, Molucca Islands. It is now cultivated chiefly in Zanzibar, Pemba, Madagascar, West Indies, Sri Lanka and India. In India, cloves are grown in Nilgiri, Tenkasai Hills and Kanyakumari districts of Tamil Nadu state. It is also cultivated in Kottayam and Quilon districts of Kerala. Next point, organoleptic characters. Color, crimson to dark brown. Odor, slightly aromatic. Taste, pungent aromatic. Size, 10 to 17.5 mm in length, 4 mm in width, 2 mm thick. Shape: dome-shaped corolla. Hypanthium is surmounted. Petals are membranous and single stiff, prominent style. Next point, cultivation and collection. Deep, rich, loamy soil with high humus content is suitable for clove cultivation. It is also found growing favorably in open sandy loam and laterite soil of South Kerala region. Water's logging of soil must be avoided. It needs warm, humid climate and grows well in the vicinity of sea. The annual rainfall in the range of 150 to 250 centimeters is another the vicinity of sea. The annual rainfall in the range of 150 to 250 centimeters is another requirement for cultivations of clove. Clove thrives best in the location ranging from sea level up to 900 meters. It is propagated by seed germination. The seeds are sown from August to October. The seeds are placed in nursery beds at a distance of 10 centimeters. It takes from 4 to 5 weeks for seed germination. The seeds of clove are sliderous and delicate with poor growing rate. After 9 months, they are transplanted to the pots where they are allowed to grow for a year. Thereafter, they are again transferred the field and are provided with shade in initial stage of growth. Clove can also be grown with acorn, coconut, or nutmeg plants. The plants are provided with suitable fertilizers like ammonium sulfate, superphosphate, and potash. Generally, fertilizers are given in two doses, first in May, June, and second in October. The plant starts bearing after 7 to 8 years, and satisfactory yields per hectare of drug is achieved only after 15 to 20 years of growth. Under normal conditions of soil, clove tree produces on an average 3 kilograms of the drug. Cloves are handpicked or collected by beating with backhoe. These operations commence when cloves start changing their color from green to slightly pink. When the tree is tall and cloves are beyond reach, platform ladders are used for collection. The cloves on drying become perfectly crimson and brownish black in color. The next point, microscopic characters. In the transverse section, clove house the following characters. The epidermis of clove is covered with thick cuticles. The epidermis itself consists of straight-walled cells and large anemocytic stomata. The oil glands, which are ovid and schizogenous, are found in all parts of the drug. Phloem fibers, which are isolated, are occasionally found in the spongly tissue. Cluster crystals of calcium oxalate and small number of stone cells are found in the drug. Clove does not contain starch. Next point, chemical constituent. It contains 70 to 90% eugenol. in brackets volatile oil, bracket complete, eugenol acetate, methyl amyl ketone, caryophyllins, 10 to 13% of tannins, resin, chromone, and eugenin. Next point, chemical test. If transverse sections of clo is treated with strong potassium hydroxide solutions, the needle-shaped crystals of potassium eugenate are observed. Next point, uses. First one, it is used as a dental analgesic, carminative, stimulant, flavoring agent, aromatic, and antiseptic. Cloves are used in preparations of cigarettes. Third one, the clove oil is used in perfumery and in manufactures of vanillin. Adulterants. First one, mother clove. Second one, blonde clove. Third one, clove stalks. Fourth one, exhausted clove. We will discuss one by one. First one, mother cloves. These are the dark brown, ovate ripened fruits of clove tree. They are slightly aromatic and contain starch. They are very inferior in volatile oil content. Second one, blonde cloves. These are expanded flowers of clove tree wherein the stamens generally get detached. They also contain volatile oil and are similar in color to cloves. The volatile oil content is less as compared to authentic drug. Third one, clove stalks. These are generally used to adulterate powder clove and detected by presence of isodiametric sclerides and prisms of calcium oxalate. Their ash value and crude fibers content are also high. Genuine cloves should not contain more than 5% of stalks to pass the pharmacopoeia's limits. Due to similarity in color, odor and taste, clove stalks are mixed with cloves. Clove stalks contain only 5% of oil. Fourth one, exhausted cloves. These are the cloves from which oil has been removed by distillations. They are dark in color, more shakунts, and when pressed with fingernails, do not show presence of oil. Exhausted cloves float on water. Then storage of clove. Clove and its powder should be stored in airtight container in cool and dry place. Thank you.